So, hey guys. I'll be teaching you the fastest way to grind in Superbox CG. I'll teach you how to. I don't have 17,000 points. And plus, even if I did that, that would be the reason why I would only have 500 points right now. But you're gonna know what I'm talking about. Let's cut it. Okay, so you guys are gonna have to, if you want to get this right here, what I'm clicking, what is shining white, just look for something that's shining white. So you know what, let me just circle it if you don't see it. You guys can just skip to, it's on the it's on screen now. If you can skip to that if you don't want to see it. Okay. Let's see. So we get out of this. Oh wait. So you have to pick the desert map. If you guys have already picked the map, it's not that hard. Just sleep. I have not seen this. I was gonna show you that, like, the thing that only the finest saw over there thing, that if you don't have it. But I have not seen this. Summon question mark, question mark, question mark. But I have to pick the map first. This is like a gun. Is this what I think it is? It's him, not the infected one. Or should I pick the Titan Saw Blade? Actually, oh my god, okay.
So many dynamics that was born.
Well, how am I fighting this guy? Okay. I want to fight that dude again. I'm going to use this time Ultra Titan Telescope. Where is it? Okay, it's now 170. Okay, summon. If I use myself against, if I use himself against, upgrade. Buddy. I am determined. I keep picking the wrong. Okay, this time I'm gonna pick this. I'm not trying to flex, saying that look, I beat death mode. I'm so cool, right? And I also had like 8. It also costs like 20 billion. He sees me. I can still summon, but I don't have any money. Good, that's good. Okay. Okay, we killed him. Now all I have to do. Okay. There's one more life left. I gotta go get it. Oh my god. Wait. I can't even feel myself saying anything. We're gonna have to. Black. Oh my. Why won't my head get loose? Teleport. Hey, thank you. Now Cloud. Just die already, please. Just accept your fate. And parasite remove. Let's go. Okay, so that's how you use claws. Let's go. Oh, I want to come with him. Okay, well, that wasn't what I was going to do, but you guys can do that too. So look for this door. You see that door over there? Let me circle it. There we go. You see that door over there? Well, when you look at it, if you know your left and right, look right and keep looking right. Look, okay, so if you know your left and right, look right and look at 100 degrees angle. Like this. Actually no. Just look like straight ahead of it. You look straight ahead of it. Look to your left. You can either look to your left or turn your camera to the left and then until you see a question mark. And you see question marks over there and you go over there. And then I recommend either Titan Timer or upgrade Titan Tesla Man for that. But you also have to beat Death Mode. I only beat Death Mode using Ultra Titan Telescope because somebody glitched me out of the map. Right now we're here for Ultra Titan Saw Blade. So, you need a Saw Blade Woman. But first you have to grind 650 points. But I am going to show you how to... I'm also going to show you how to also grind quickly in this game. Why is my stamina 0? Oh, there we go. Okay, now I can run. Hook's hot. Hey, yo. It said Hook's hot. You don't have to do anything. What we're about to do, because I know some secrets and stuff, some badges, about like 99% of the. Okay, I'm just joking. I'm gonna actually try to be for real right here. About 68% of the time. About 60. Hey, yo. No, it actually means finest. Hey, yo. It's saying Soul Blade Woman is fine. That's why it has it in those like little time things. It can be open. Only the finest blade will work. So basically all you have to do is just hold this. If you're Soul Blade Woman, you have to hold that. Then you're gonna chomp it down. Stay right there. Walk like that. You gotta glitch into it. Okay, then you just walk. Go here. Strange door, just go down for a while. Okay. So this is what you have to do. Okay. So you have to find batteries for that guy. Not the actual first battery, but so you have to go here. You have to do a mini parkour like that. Take one battery, need to find 5. Next one. So I gotta go over here. Also, you can just insert them one by one if you want. There's a battery over here, but there's also a key. Okay, you get the key, but you can also get that. You get the key, but also get that. Bye! You could do it either way. Get the badge for this and then get 17,000 points. 17,500. Or get 17,500 points and then you can. Open it and then this one is over here. Okay, so you take this right. But the last battery. Remember that thing over there where it said it had to be cut open? You don't remember. I'm not sure now, but if you don't remember and you want to check, it like a sneak peek on Christmas, you can go back in the video. But it was over here. So the saw blade's over there behind those like little pillar things. You have to cut it open, and then battery. You got all the batteries. Well, as long as you found. Okay, well, if you didn't get this battery, that battery was over there. See that little box right there? Little box? That's where it was. You do some parkour. Now you have to pull it out and put it in there. That's what you do. gets up doing the dance. But I'm not getting the badge. Well, didn't show that. But actually, no, I think it did. But I'm not getting the badge. You already have the badge. I'll show you a fast way to grind points. Let's get to it. There you go. Okay. So, whatever map you want, I'm gonna start to do. So, I recommend like getting some people to help you grind first, so you can actually get this character. So, I recommend for starters a large boombox, which is down here, or boombox. Okay, wait. Ninja boombox is actually quite good. So ninja boombox, or large boombox, or boombox woman. Or if you grind it a lot with your friends, you can get the Strider boombox. That's what I recommend for starters, but you can also scroll down and you can get your large saw blade. And we're gonna use large also because it has a special ability. So I recommend siege mode. Just normal siege mode. Look, this is the special ability. Click saw blade. Does this with the saw blade. You can actually just kill them if I ever do that. Equip, and there's a glitch still. Equip saw slash, and then if you just do this. I do. I was just drinking. Okay. So I'm gonna fast forward. It's actually frozen. So you actually just kill them by stepping into it. Like, see, log that? The wrong. Don't worry. So I'm gonna kill this one. Die. I'm sorry. Again, because of this ability. I would recommend if you grinded a lot. This is the first Titan. Because that's actually good too. So look, if I just reach out, so if you grind it a lot, you can get your first Titan. Which is in the Titans. So basically the only Titan a beginner, because I'm not calling you guys beginners, but the only first Titan that if you got it enough for is the damage Titan. Oh. This is only good for like big points. Okay, this stomp ability. I got him. Stop. It launches the thing. Stomp. Yeah, now you're dead. And stomp. I think the stomp is actually normal. See? Ugh. Ugh. Giant company, let's go. Okay, so this is what you can use it for. And they're all dead. Missing hands. I get to pick Coke. I am 8. But my dad gave it to me and it's not even that late. It's not like it's 12 in the morning. Let me go to the factory. Let me go to the factory. Oh! Yo, I was so lucky. Dead. Dead. Ah! No. I'm not. No! I just lost. The end of section. Wait. I will not know how I lost, but yeah. See, as this game calls it, Boombox 1 cost. Oh wait, if you guys were playing this, you're like, how are you on this easy one? I mean, I think, actually, no. Actually, yeah, never mind. You guys will having to beat this first to get it. So, we're testing her on hard mode. Instant. I'm not even clicking someone. Too powerful just that. If he is going to overpower this. There's a lot of slime. So she is good for her now. Oh my god! But another thing. If so, if you get this, there will be that. I'm not gonna use that yet. I can't use it actually. But if you bought this, I recommend the better and the thing. No, is that? I just put the review. A refill, please? I want a refill on that before you go. Dad, please. Dad, I want another one, please. Not a cup. Not a cup over here. See?
Then where is it? It's a tall plastic cup. Oh, that's not bad.
Yes, it is. Well, I don't have it, but can I have a little bit of more in here, please? Huh? What you say?
You don't love some stuff that is.
I want to have a little bit more of that, please. Yeah, we have more. Yeah, we have more cups. Yeah, we have more cups. Yeah, we have more cups. So, we'll see that. That's right. And, there are other ways. I know there are other ways to grind faster in this game, but that's the only way. The only way is that